Go up on the river, go catch two swim around. Swimmers, catch two swim around, just a line up the line them and them thing there. And you hook them.
Keys to my bimmer, 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 bimmer. Got the keys to my bimmer, 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 bimmer. What do you like to eat?
Butter, mate.
Bo? So, what grade you in?
Grade 2, mate.
Bo? Oh!
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, my blood. Please, why is my reaction Miguel? Eh?
November.
Alright.
How old are you?
8.
8.
Tell him in Spanish. Tell him in Spanish, my general. Tell him how much in Spanish.
Eh?
Tell him how much in Spanish. Tell him which class you're in now.
Grade 2, Malcolm.
Okay.
Grade 2, Malcolm.
Malcolm?
Yeah.
Oh.
One next Malcolm class.
Eh. So I'm more than one Malcolm there.
So 2. One in a grade 1 and one in a grade 2.
Oh. Are you in a 2 Malcolm?
Yeah.
You rest of it them in a 1 Malcolm. Eh?
Eh?
Rest of it them in a 1 Malcolm?
No, it 2 Malcolm them in a grade 2 now.
Eh. Boy, I don't know.
Are you excited to catch fish?
Huh?
Have you ever been fishing? You like it? Oh, I've never been fishing before.
You catch one poisonous one.
Really? Wow. So guys, we're gonna have to walk the rest of the journey instead of driving, so this should be fun. And Miguel is gonna show me some spider eggs. So this is so nice down here, guys. Like, it's amazing. I'm scared to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Is that it? Oh my gosh!
And they're
Oh
actually
my
hatching.
gosh!
They're hatching.
Oh my gosh! All right, drop it, drop it, drop it. Oh my gosh! Why does it? Is it one egg?
Nope, a lot of them. Tiny eggs.
Oh gosh! Ooh! Make sure there's none in your hands.
Huh? Nope.
Okay,
Nope.
that's good.
All clean.
Cool. So yeah, guys, that's what a spider egg looks like. So that's a little view, guys. It's really nice. Oh, I'm scared to touch it.
And they almost like ground tarantulas.
Oh my god.
You even see them wrinkling.
Yeah, they're so tiny. Guys, I don't know if you can see it, but that's a spider egg.
And look,
And they're
there's more of
actually-
them from where they came from, right here.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's not my forte. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
There's a lot of ground tarantulas.
Yeah.
Or they can even be baby black widows or so.
Oh my
I don't know.
god. I didn't know that's what they look like.
And
Okay.
they're leaving. We need to follow.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Darren though. You can go, I'll catch up. Okay?
Okay.
You don't look sweaty to me. You're too moody, come on. Guys, I don't know if I'll take you all throughout the journey, but I'll show you like a bit of it. But it is so nice down here. Absolutely amazing. I've got no idea Oh my gosh.
They're
Be careful. Ah, that is so disgusting. Ew, alright, leave it. No more, don't no. Don't, no, don't do that. Guys, I don't want to have my camera out too long here, but this is where we are. We just passed something and the catch for loads of fish. Kind of scared. I know I'm just doing it here and I'm going to put it back inside my bag because I don't want my phone dropping. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Kind of scary, so I'm not going to keep my phone out. Alright, we're here now catching some fish. Finally here, it was so scary because you have to like walk up on some rocks and stuff. I thank God that I reached safe. Thanks.
I want crab in the fence.
Oh, tap tell like 3 crab me put
Hey boy!
I lie me again.
Hey boy!
Yeah, she find 2, you find 1.
One!
With what?
When me... Hey boy, me again. You have to go to the end of the biggest crab candy I have on me.
Candy have some big one, yeah, man.
Film me them.
Give me one, man. Put down for me something.
What?
May I go down there, sir? Wait, that one's getting away.
One more.
Let me see him grab the one and grab the while ago.
Candy, shh.